Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier TO-U7 Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth or an app, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear, any issues like that where it's bugging can very often be fixed with this hard reset. Now you're going to need to set them up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you want to set these earbuds up as a new set of earbuds, wiping all of the pairing history and everything like that off of them, it's quite easy to do. All you want to do is you're going to put your earbuds in the case and leave the lid open on the case, and you're going to keep an eye on the indicator lights on the front, but we're going to come around to this button in the back. And what you're going to do is you're going to press the button on the back 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3. And once you do that, it will enter the left-right connection and clearing the pairing records mode. And the LEDs will blink twice, and then they'll turn off when this has been done successfully. And then the LEDs on the front will be lit up one by one in a clockwise direction and display, and so it'll make like a circle. At which point it's reset, and you can go ahead and repair these earbuds with your device as a new set of earbuds coming out of the box.